Motor oil and lubricant manufacturers, please take a look. T154 polyisobutylene succinimide and T154B boronated polyisobutenyl succinimide. T154 is an ashless dispersant, prepared from highly reactive isobutylene, Mn equals 1000. T154B is generally used with oxidation inhibitors and acid neutralizing additives in gasoline and diesel engine oils. T154, a standard polyisobutenyl succinimide dispersant, with moderate cost, suitable for conventional engine oil formulations. T154B, based on T154 but incorporates boron to enhance oxidation resistance and deposit control performance, making it suitable for more demanding operating conditions.